Hey everybody, hope y'all are doing good today. I got another unboxing video. So I don't know, last week or week before, Marty and I got together and decided to do a little trade. And plus he sent me a point that he made that Tommy Taylor had bought. And I had mentioned in one of my comments that I wanted one of those. So Tommy said to mail it to Jim. And Tommy, I've got you a box in progress. I've been working in Houston all week, so I haven't been home. But I should make it to the post office because I want to send you something to say thank you as well. Let's see what we got in here. Man, I always save this packing material. This stuff comes in handy. All right, so we got these two. I'm assuming that these are empty, but just to be sure, I'm gonna check it out. I think these were just used for packing material. Oh no, that's a point right there. Glad I didn't just go all crazy on these boxes. I hope y'all can hear me, man. I've got my AC running right now because it is hot. And I've never done a test video with the AC going before. Okay. Oh, nice. And we signed it too. Good deal. Nice, Marty. So I think, if I'm not mistaken, this is called a Scott's Bluff. I think that's right. Very nice. Man, that is some, I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but this obsidian is very see-through. Nice. All right, let's take a look in this one. Yeah, and then this one's empty. Okay. Tommy, thank you. Like I said, I've got a point that I've made. It's rainbow obsidian. I'm gonna get that in the mail along with some cash for you. I don't even know if you know I have a channel, but I'm sure word will get around that I've got some stuff on the way to you. I've just got to make it to the post office so that I can get it in the mail. And this is my first time ever touching KRF. I've never used KRF before at all, but I hear it's man rock, and I hear that it's better to heat treat it. And so Mike Mason heat treated some a few weeks ago, I think, and I asked him how he did it, and I got a screenshot from Patrick's chat. So I think I'll probably try to nap one piece, but I think I'm going to heat treat it. Let's see. I'll do some indirect on this one in just a minute. We'll see. It's pretty rock. It's darker than I anticipated. That's cool. Nice, and we've got some bigger pieces on the bottom. Guys, I would try to nap on some of these bigger pieces, but I'm not going to do that on camera because I'll just jack them up and I don't want Marty to get mad. So I'm going to try to do some indirect on this flake over here and see what we can get. Cool. So some of it is like a lighter brown, and then some of it is a darker brown. I don't know if this shows up very well on camera that you can see the difference, but I suppose if you did that, you could see there's quite a difference in color. That's cool. Very nice. Marty, thank you so much, man. I'm looking forward to trying to nap some of this stuff. Like I said, this is totally new to me. I've never even held KRF before. Sweet. Thank you. Let's try to do some indirect on this little flake over here and see what happens. I got to see how tough it is. Ooh, that was a good one. Man, flake's nice. I like it. See if I can get it. Got a little bit of a ridge here. See if I can get it to follow that ridge. Thin that out just a bit. There we go. Let's see if I can thin this down. I created a step fracture right there. Let me see if I can get rid of that step fracture. About right here. I think I got it out and made a new one. There we go. I got it. I should probably do some kind of an idea here what I'm going to go for. I'm not an artist at all. But I think something kind of like that. This doesn't seem too tough. I don't know, maybe unless you already heat treated this, Marty, but it's not. This doesn't seem any tougher than any Texas rock that I've been messing with. I think it's quite nice. I just need to be careful and not snap the whole thing in half. But yeah, I'm impressed. It flakes nice. I mean, I'm not having to use excessive amount of force or anything. I need to do some more work on this side. This is a side that's getting a bit of a turtleback now. Step fracture. Man, I hope my head hasn't been blocking the view of the camera this whole time. I'll go back and watch the video. Might have to edit some of that out. That was a good flake. Let's see if I can get a good flake across there. Nice. Man, I'm inclined to start working in this edge this way and then this edge this way and kind of ignoring my original plan because it's thinning out well for me. I've got some bad step fractures on this side. I don't know. I need to narrow it quite a bit more up here. So, but if I can't get it from there, maybe I can get it from over here. Let me raise this side. Okay, I'm gonna see. I'm gonna have to hit this pretty hard. Hopefully I don't break it in half. See if I can get up under that step fracture. There's one of them. Boy, I don't think I'm gonna be able to get this one from that side, but I'll give it a shot. So now I've got these little ones in here, and then I'm getting a bit of an island going on in here. So I think I can get part of that island out from here, and I don't know, we'll see. We got part of it. Let's see. I don't know what happened there. There we go. I got it. Now I've got, I don't know how I'm going to get this mess out, but maybe I will get some of it out from the base and maybe some of it from this side, but I've got a big step fracture forming right there. We'll see. It's risky. I don't think I have enough meat on the base to do it. Let's see what I can get done from this side over here. Ooh. Took off a lot, but I dug into my edge a little bit, which is okay because I still got to get it a little bit narrower anyhow. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get up under that. pretty happy with this side. It could be a little bit thinner back in here and a little bit thinner right here. But it's this side. It's that ugly step fracture I'm trying to get out of there. See if I can thin the base a little bit. I'm going to downsize on my indirect stick. Oh man. I guess I can get under that step fracture. I'm just going to lose a little bit of width. Alright, I'm going to have to hit this pretty hard. Don't snap in half. Ah, I didn't get it. Oh, it just broke off part of my abrader. I thought it was the tip. I was going to get mad. I think I did break off part of the tip. I can get that with pressure, probably. Now I've got another step fracture going on the other side. All right, see if I can get this step fracture, my first step fracture out. Plus it's a real thick spot on the point too, so I got to get this out. It's not coming out. She is there to stay. Well, I think I'm going to call it quits right there. It is hot, even with the AC running. It's hot, but I've got a few thick spots I got to get at, and then a couple of bad step fractures. That's what's killing me now, are these step fractures. And my understanding is that you're hitting on a platform that is not ideal. And I know when I'm doing it, it's a platform where it's above center line. That's where I'm causing my problems. But anyway, I'll finish this up at another time. Y'all take care, and I'm sure I'll see y'all this evening in Patrick's stream. Later.